Welcome to 51 Divine Drive, a superb 4+1 bedroom executive home nestled on a beautifully landscaped corner lot within the highly sought-after Rolling Acres neighbourhood of Central East Whitby. An exceptional property both inside and out, this brick home has been lovingly maintained by the original owners and showcases fantastic curb appeal with its stone landscaping set against the natural beauty of lush perennial gardens and evergreens, as well as flagstone walkways from the driveway and the sidewalk to a covered front porch, while also featuring a relaxing backyard oasis and interior living spaces that are a delight for entertaining. The ceramic flooring of the foyer and reception area continues through to the kitchen, while gleaming hardwood flooring is featured in the open concept formal rooms as well as the family room. Elegantly combined and having an entry graced with stately decor columns, the entertaining spaces of the formal living and dining rooms showcase wood valances above the respective east and west facing windows. The dining room has the added ambient brightness of a timeless light fixture, and their coffered ceiling is finished with decorative crown moldings, which can also be seen throughout the main level. The family room enjoys incredible natural brightness, having 5 windows with either east or south facing exposures, has the added coziness of a gas fireplace, its white mantle finished with a brick hearth and accent surround, and is fully open to the kitchen and its breakfast area. Spotlights brighten the beautiful and functional workspace offered by the kitchen, which showcases stone counters with seating at the peninsula, stone and glass mosaic backsplashes, stainless steel appliances including a range with gas cooktop and dual ovens, a French door fridge, and a dishwasher, crisp white cabinetry with great storage, as well as a stainless steel double undermount sink. Spotlights also brighten the breakfast area, which has a sliding door walkout to the backyard. This relaxing oasis, showcasing a large deck with in-floor lighting and a privacy lattice on its west side, 2 storage sheds, and lush perennial gardens. Just off the reception area is both a double coat closet and a powder room, its contemporary vanity complete with a glass counter, glass vessel basin, as well as a coordinating mirror. While to the upper level is a beautiful hardwood staircase, its mid-landing having an oversized arched window that floods abundant natural light into this level, which showcases hardwood flooring throughout, 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 washrooms and a linen closet, as well as a loft space off the landing that is well suited as a sitting or office area. The second and third bedrooms both have large west-facing windows and ample closet storage. The main 5-piece washroom features a wall-to-wall vanity with elegant drop-in basins, ceramic flooring, as well as a ceramic tiled bath and shower area. And the sunken bedroom above the double car garage has a double closet, windows with north and east facing exposures, and is also ideal as an art studio, a fitness room, or as a second family room if a 4th bedroom is not needed. At the south end of the hall, through a double door entry, is the lovely master suite. Quite gracious in its size and featuring a ceiling fan, east and south facing exposures, as well as a walk-in closet. Its ensuite washroom showcases ceramic finishes throughout, a soaker tub, a vanity with marble counter, undermount basin, and upgraded lighting, as well as a shower area with glass door. The lower staircase's mid-landing has a large above-grade window for more natural lighting. And the fully finished lower level, which is also ideal as an in-law suite, features ceramic tiled flooring throughout, pot lighting in the open concept recreation area, which has an eat-in kitchen, a family room, and a gas stove for added warmth, storage under the stairs, plus a storage room with a wall-to-wall closet, a 4-piece washroom that is tiled from top to bottom, has a bath shower combo, and a pedestal sink. A laundry room with washer, dryer, and both cabinetry and closet storage, as well as a bonus room with a mirrored door double closet. A short walk to both John Dryden Public and St. Mark the Evangelist Catholic Elementary Schools, and across the street from Divine Park. This home is also minutes from big box shopping malls along Taunton Road, while golf courses, conservation areas, post-secondary institutions, the entertainment centrum, Whitby's beautiful waterfront along Lake Ontario, as well as access to Highways 401 and the 407 are all just short drives away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.